What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about Loopring. We're going to break it down. We need to go into some of the updates that we do have today within this position. So before we get started, guys, I do want to talk about the Patreon members. If you guys, are Patreon members, thank you so much for being so. It does help me out, and I know it helps you guys out with all the information that you do get. So if you want to become a Patreon member, feel free to hit that link down below and join the rest of the group. But make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I can't speak today. And hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I know people aren't getting notified. So again, if you want to get notified, the Discord group, does have or send out notifications. So you can definitely do that. But let's go ahead and do like a quick update on Loopring just to understand exactly where it's at, and maybe go through or scroll through Twitter to see what they're talking about as we go through that. So let's start with the price action. So we could see here that Loopring is currently at $2.33. It's up 16.3%. We do see, and it has made quite a bit of a move compared to a lot of other things that are in the market. The volume is up 74% today. That's insane to say. Up 74%. We see that the circulating supply stays the same. You could see the total hold time is around 20 days. So looking at that, it's always interesting to see that grow, because then you know that people are consistently holding it. They're creating that hodl mentality. Also, the popularity is around 32nd. What also we're seeing is the buying activity is actually up. That's why we're seeing it in the positive, really, because of the buying activity. The market cap has increased over that $3 billion dollar mark. And it looks just overall good. Seeing it at this level of 180, literally earlier today, increasing all the way up to a level of 245 before decreasing a little bit down to 230. So the reason why we're seeing that is because the start of the day we were at $2, but seeing it from 180 up to 245 is an insane amount of growth. And I know a lot of people probably made some money out of it. I know some people that are day trading this and swing trading it, and it's great to be able to do whatever you want to do until the overall announcement comes. But right now, we're sitting in a really, really good spot with Loopring. I'm really excited to see what's going to happen next with this position, because it's grown a heck of a lot and it can grow a lot more. I think Loopring, once we do have that announcement, it could really blow. And even if we don't have a firm like yes that this is partnered or tied to GameStop in some sort of way, I understand that we're going to have a decent sized growth no matter what. So it's not something where I'm like, all right, well, Loopring can't go any higher than this at all, or it's at its highest point if it doesn't have GameStop tied to it. I think it does have, if GameStop's tied to it, it does have some growth potential if GameStop's tied to it. So that's where I stand with it. I wanted to do a quick update. Let's go ahead and scroll through um, the Loopring Reddit just to see what they're actually talking about. We have a daily discussion to see what everyone's talking about. Goes up $150. Uh, Nice roll up GameStop. So this week's right. All right. So if you ever want to join these discussions, they always have some great things. So obviously, seeing it go from 180 to 240 was definitely a good move. Let's see. Naughty red wall at 235. All right. All right. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to get out of the discussion. We're going to scroll down and see what type of, I guess, memes they would have. Are y'all ready? Yes, we are ready. I'm definitely ready. Let's see. Scroll down here. When LRC is up and the rest of the market is red. That's absolutely right. Absolutely right. What's going on in LRC? That's causing this pump. I mean, just people that are interested in it. I mean, that's what we're seeing here. We see it at low prices. People get into it. They hold on to it. Certain people are holding it. And I think that's the case. It's not necessarily just like, oh, well, people are buying it, because I think different types of people are buying it. In the first place, you have people that are buying it looking for a quick pump. I think now you have people that are buying it looking to hold on to it. They see that pump, they don't let go. Others will see the pump and let go, while the new people that are coming in are holding on to it and creating that hodl mentality. And I think it's a really great point to get into something like that. So again, excited. Be greedy when others are fearful. Yes, exactly. When it was down to 180, if people were greedy, you could see that decent sized growth from $1.80 up to $2.45. That's a decent sized growth. Really, really good growth. A lot of people can't really see that, so it's good. Loopring drops below $2, but you don't get paid until Friday. Yeah, basically, basically. Let's upvote that. Um, Collects rings really fast. A bit of a the mascot we need. Yeah, I guess that's true. I guess that's true. He's the right color, I guess. That's true. All right, let's check Twitter real quick before we get out of here. It's just a quick update that I was doing with you guys. I just wanted to check to see what's going on here. A lot of technical analysis, I guess. Uh, okay. Let's see, Loopring 612 update. Got a nice bounce after briefly below 181 support during the. Okay. Today's outperforming the market. Yeah, I think Loopring just an amazing job today. Seeing the overall movement today is absolutely an amazing job. There you go. Seeing uh I guess different things on Twitter about things. I don't know if I said Twitter earlier because I sometimes get Twitter and Twitch confused. But seeing a lot of things on Twitter, eating crayons. Uh, yeah, I really hope they are tied today. Today was a really good day for buyers. I scooped up some LRC and some GME. Got a video coming out for you guys. Okay, great, great Carlos trades. All right. All right. I think that's it. We saw a really, really good day for Loopring. Maybe I should put some things. I should tweet something out. We saw a really, really good day for Loopring. I'm really excited again to see what this can do. But I just wanted to share with you guys that we did see a 17% increase and even more than that from where we were at 180. So um, definitely get ready for this thing to make a huge move. And again, I'm excited. So, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. You can check out my merch link if you guys want that. I am going to be updating a lot of things for, selling different types of merch. I have to figure out what's the next design. Also, if you guys want to join the Patreon, feel free to join the Patreon. We do have a list of Patreon members here, which are right over here. And all you guys are amazing. So I really appreciate every single little thing that you guys do. And just supporting me in general is amazing. You keep the Discord group running, because I can't get to it all the time, because obviously these kids here, I can't really get to it. So I appreciate all of you guys for, being there to support me and helping me out as well. While I'm helping you guys out with any type of information that I can help you out with. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Loop ring to the moon, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.